Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Here we go. In today's video you will find out how the price of Iota has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, RSI, divergence and MACD are showing. If you are not familiar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos down below in the description. Looking at the Iota hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the downside with around 19.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 12.2 cents. The volume was also high, showing that this move was strong and the sellers are taking over. Moving to the hourly simple moving averages, the price crossed the 20 SMA upwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. At the moment, the price is between the 20 and the 50 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 12.0 cents, it could be seen as a support, and the 50 SMA that is at 15.1 cents could be perceived as a resistance to the upside. If there were to be a break either way, it means that there could be a continuous move in that direction. For longer price development, the daily time frame should also be considered, as the shorter time frames are not as accurate. Moving to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 44, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. On the lookout for divergences in the hourly time frame, there was a bullish divergence and the price already went up. Moving to the hourly MACD, seeing as the MACD line is above the signal line, meaning that the trend is currently on the up. But according to the MACD histogram, we can see that the momentum is going down. Owing to this, we can expect the price to remain stable, and you should wait and see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be a downward trend. Looking at the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price has crossed the 20 SMA downwards, but it's not a very strong signal that the volume hasn't been very high. For this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 15.8 cents. However, the shorter time frames are not very accurate, and the bigger time intervals like the daily should also be considered for longer price development. Looking at the 3-hourly relative strength index, currently, the 3-hourly RSI of 35 can be found in the lower region, meaning that the price is being more or less oversold, and we can expect a comeback, or for the price at least to remain stable for some time. Jumping to the 3-hourly MACD, the trend is currently going down because the MACD line is below the signal line. However, the MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently shifting to the upside, and it could be expected that the price will consolidate for some time, and you should wait to see if the MACD line will cross the signal line, which will be bullish. Moving to the daily simple moving averages, the current price is below all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bearish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 20 SMA, will play as resistance, or the price will break it to the upside above the current price of around 21.9 cents. Jumping to the daily relative strength index, currently, the daily RSI of 23 can be found in the lower region, meaning that the price is being more or less oversold, and we can expect a comeback, or for the price at least to remain stable for some time. Jumping to the daily MACD, the MACD line is below the signal line, which shows that the current trend is on the downside. The MACD histogram shows that the momentum is currently strong, and it could be expected the price to go further to the downside. In general, the larger time frames have a greater impact on the price, so please remember that when we display different time frames with different indicators. And also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.